Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Temu Tuesday. Y'all, I am in a Temu collab that is called Temu Spring Fling, and I'm in that collab with 7 other channels. I'm the host of this collab, so I'll tell you about that in a moment. Camille just sat down on all of my things. It was quiet here, so I decided to start to film. So let me show you some of the things I bought for Temu Tuesday, because Temu just has everything. They really do. And what I've learned to do is if I need something, or even if I don't know that I need something, and I'm watching one of the other ladies that do Temu hauls, there's many on YouTube, and I'll see something, I'm like, oh, what a great idea. I've got to try that. So this is what happened to me on this. I believe I saw Sue, Reviews with Sue. I'm going to mention a lot of channels in this video. Reviews with Sue do this. And then I saw Kim, hanging out with Kim, do this. And I'm like, or, you know, haul this. I'm like, I've got to get those. So this was a package of, it shows 4, but really there's 2 per here, okay? And there are many different kinds of these. These are stickers. So it tells you what to do. There's a sticker on, this one says on floor, and then this I'll break it in half and put this. I have a rug just inside my door that every time I come home, every time I try to go out, the cats have moved it around. It's just a nice thin rug so that when I step in, I can, you know, wipe my feet off. And, you know, I got it at Walmart. Maybe it was, you know, $15 or something. So I'll peel this off. And I believe that part's going to go on the rug because this one says on floor. So this is like rubbery. So hopefully it's going to stick to, have my rug stay on the floor and not get moved all over. So that's what my hope is with this. And I think what I'll do is put it like in the corners and each corner. So I would use this whole package. I may try 1 strip on each corner first. Being that it's a very lightweight rug, I may not need to use all of these at one time. We'll see. It was very reasonable, so I don't mind using the whole package. Camille is on my price list. So it was just $1.25. So yeah, I will use all 4 of them. And if I like them, I can get some more just to have, you know, in my junk drawer for when I need them. So I'm excited about that. So next up, I have this beautiful headband. I've been seeing so many people on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, everywhere with this type of headband. And it's just super cute. This one says that it's handmade. This comes in many colors. They also come in different height of this cushion. And it's super cute, y'all, super cute. This was, this one was just 79 cents. So I got 2 of them. I got one for me. And I got one for you that will be one of the items I put in my giveaway from the collab, okay? So since I'm saying that, let me tell you quickly about the collab. It is the Temu Spring Fling, and it's going on for 2 weeks. It started yesterday. It'll end May 4th. And each of us will end maybe different times. Mine, you know, usually ends like noon Central Time. I'm not sure what I did, honestly, this time. But this is who is in it. Is Reviews with Sue, Carol Gardner, Jesse Miller Unboxings and More, Miss Jackie Russell, Favorites with Laura, Nona's Place, Tea Time Adventures, and me. So there's 8 channels, and we all have giveaways. So you'll need to watch all the channels, you know, comment, like, all that good stuff. Comment on all of the videos, whether you want to enter their giveaway or not. Some of us are showing our giveaways, and some of us are doing a mystery giveaway. I didn't have enough time to show you, so mine's a mystery giveaway. I put nice stuff in there, but I also put this in there, okay? That'll be something that'll go in. Super duper cute. I might, let me put it on. You might see me in this on the Monday before this video, this Temu Tuesday. Oh, it's really high. It might not be my thing. It looks more like a crown than a headband. I'm not sure if I like it, Joe, but I'm probably wear it out of Mass Monday. But it is, when I say, I just don't like the height. It's well made. Look at how cushiony it is. It's well made. And it was 79 cents. So I got y'all one. Okay, so next up is this little sign. I have gotten some of these signs before. These look like this cat lady, crazy cat lady lives here. I got this from Temu. I got this beautiful wreath from Temu. That is in my collab video. And I got this one was 72 cents. This is very thin, you know, it's not worth more than $1 really, but I just thought this was so pretty, and it's the kind of a thing that you can have up all year somewhere in the house. It says, with God, all things are possible, and that's Matthew 19:26. And just the colors of it, you know, are very pretty. It's got flowers, you know, so it's springtime, summertime, fall colors in there too. And I may hang that up there. I'm not sure. I may put it somewhere else in my house. It has a couple of holes, and they do send a little raffia string so you can tie that on, so you can hang it. So that was 72 cents. And next I have this. This was like a lightning deal that went flashing by. So I'm like, what is that? Look at this, is a bag. I took everything out of the bag so that you don't hear all that crunch and crunkle, but I wanted you to see, this comes like this, okay? There are 50 pieces in the package I got. You can get 50 pieces or you can get 100 pieces. This was 85 cents. I thought that was well worth trying it and seeing what it's all about. These are covers. So I did this, you know, it's one of those resealable. I had opened it, but it closed up again. Look at this crazy thing. All right, so this one has the yellow on it. This is like saran wrap or plastic, you know, oh goodness, if I can figure out how to use it. Oh, there, that helped me. I stretched it and then it popped. So this can go over, you know, you have a bowl of leftover, I don't know, leftover potatoes. You put that on. And they say that you can rinse and reuse these, you know, but they're thin, so they may break. But for the price, $50 for 85 cents, see, that'll fit on several different sized items. And I believe these different colors may be different sizes. So let's check it out. See, that helps you open it, just so you know. Well, that's very similar size. So maybe they're all the same size. I'm not real sure. There's also a blue one. Yeah, they might all be the same size, but they'll go over a leftover bowl or, you know, leftover, I don't know, you know, what do you have? Leftover peas, leftover beans, you know, just anything. I don't think this one will fit over like a plate, maybe a dessert plate it would, but not a full plate. Like if you were bringing someone a plate of food, like your neighbor or something, it wouldn't fit over that. But I'm sure they have sizes like that on Temu because they have everything. And then if you give somebody some, you know, I don't know, just give somebody a bowl of your dessert and you give it to them, put this over. If they don't give this back to you, you didn't lose anything. It's hardly cost a thing. So, you know, a little over a penny a piece. So these I just thought were really nice and handy to easily go over. Heck, you could probably put a tomato in there, you know, or something that you've cut in half. Also, you know, they're like just a little sack. I thought they were really cool for 85 cents. Now, I don't know what the full, you know, if that was like a lightning deal. So, you know, they have great lightning deals, but I think those things are pretty reasonable to begin with. So, and then lastly, I have this package. Y'all, I have been using, since I got them, I've gotten blue light glasses in Fab Fit Fun. I think I got a pair in Goldie Boxed. I've gotten them in a few boxes. And some people say they don't do any good, but for me, I look at a computer all day long and my eyes, by the, you know, end of the day, my eyes are very tired. And I took some of the blue blocker glasses. So they're just glasses. They don't change your vision, but they change the light coming through. And I've read people say that they don't help. People say that they do help. Depends who you talk to. Doctors say that they do help. Doctors say that they don't help. So, you know, for me, they are helpful. They, when I put them on, I don't see any difference on my computer, but at the end of the day, my eyes are not tired. And I am up and back from the computer, so I'll take them off, put them on, take them off, put them on. Well, I had several different pair. And, you know, I had some junk ones from Temu. I've given away. The good ones I give away in giveaways. I didn't keep any good ones for me from, it's like the Fab Fit Fun ones, the Goldie Box ones are like the $85 pair. I didn't keep those for me. So I've bought them from Temu. So if they break, they're $1, $2, it's no big deal. Well, these they had, and I thought, well, that's really cute. It comes with a case and everything. So this, I took the plastic off of this, but not of this. So let's see what it looks like. I thought they were really cute because of the way that they open and everything. This is called the Floral Fashion Blue Light Glasses. $2.24. They do have just $99 pairs, 99-cent pairs. And I probably will get a couple of those just to keep at my desk because, like I said, I'm a dropper and I'm a breaker. So if they break, you know, but look at how pretty these are. They're purple, and then it folds. The whole thing folds up. So this is the ear part, and look at how pretty that ear part is. Can you see? It's got the flowers on it. It's got the purple and the flowers. And then this one does like that. And it has a little sticker on it. Oh, this one is, well, I don't think I knew that when I bought it. This one has the +2 magnification. So yeah, this I won't be able to use to look at my computer because it's changing. It's, you know, this is like for reading glasses, which, this is too strong for me. The +2 is too strong for me. So I may end up giving these away to somebody too. I know a few people that need reading glasses. I think they're cute, but I can't see anything. Everything's blurred. So yeah, it's not working for reading either. But they're super cute, $2.24. So this folds like this, folds like this, whoops, folds like this. So I will have to get me some blue blocker, but these are blue blocker as well. Blue light. Is that, I'm not sure what quite they're called. Well, quite how they're called. Anyway, folds up, goes into this cute case. So you can throw this in your bag. You know, throw this in your car if you need. Well, I don't know that you need blue blocker glasses in your car, but you can take it with you, you know, when you travel, if you use it on the plane or whatever. I like that case. $2.24. I'm disappointed. I see on my receipt, it says +2, 200 or whatever. I didn't notice that when I picked them out. There's just so many things. But for $2.24, I'm not going to complain. Somebody will be able to use these. And I'll find some more for me. I'm going to look for some that fold. I'll just, you know, I'll find some more. Trust me. I buy a lot from Temu. I like Temu. They're lots and lots of fun. If you go and watch the collab, some of the ladies that I listed, that I mentioned when I did my paper with all of our names on it, some of them are affiliates. So, I didn't realize when you shop on Temu, I've had the app and I have been shopping for a while, so I already have my accounts. I didn't know that I could use the affiliate links. You can still use the affiliate links because then the ladies get, they get some credit for it. So when we see these campaigns that they do, that helps them get more for their campaigns. And I didn't know that. So all this time I've been shopping, I haven't been shopping under an affiliate. So I will. I love all these ladies, the ones that are affiliates. I'll cycle through them as I shop. And then also, this I knew about, but I tend to forget sometimes, Rakuten. You can use Rakuten to shop from Temu. So I have my Rakuten link below. If you join Rakuten under me, you'll get $30. The first time you have to spend $30, whether you spend it on Temu or any other place that you shop at, you'll get $30 back, and I'll get $30. Whoever you sign up under, they will get $30. When you sign up, then you have your own link and you can share it with your family and friends. Or if you have a channel, you can put it on your channel and share it with people. Some of y'all have signed up under me. Some of y'all have told me you've signed up under me and it hasn't worked because maybe you didn't buy anything or whatever. They only give you 90 days to spend that $30. And then you get the $30. And they pay us quarterly. So you won't get that $30 right away. It accumulates. And then every time you shop, I even use it when I shop online at Walmart, y'all. I may get 12 cents, but listen, 12 cents, you know, when I have to buy kitty litter and this, that, and the other, I might get 60 cents one time, 12 cents another time. It all adds up. And then I use that kind of money. I try to save it through the year, and I use it for like my advent calendars and things like that. So, you know, all these little things we do. Fetch, that's another one that I do, is Fetch. You scan your receipts. And then also Fetch has something new that they're doing. You can play games on your phone and get extra money, get extra points toward gift cards. That one you get gift cards back. And I've gotten a few gift cards from Fetch. I've gotten a TJ Maxx gift card, $50. And I've gotten a Stitch Fix $50 gift card. So it's fabulous. These are things that I never would have done ever before I had a channel because I didn't trust them. But after hearing other channels talk about them and all, I've been doing it for a while and I'm getting money. I'm excited. So anyway, y'all, have any questions, ask me. I've got to end this, y'all. Count your blessings and take care. Bye-bye. Go see our collab.